Farmers can utilize drones for various tasks to enhance efficiency, monitor crops, and make informed decisions. Here are several ways farmers can use drones in agriculture. Crop monitoring. Drones equipped with cameras or multispectral sensors can capture high-resolution images of crops. This imagery helps farmers monitor plant health, identify pest infestations, and assess crop conditions. By detecting issues early, farmers can take timely corrective actions, such as applying fertilizers or pesticides only where needed. Field mapping. Drones can create detailed maps of farmland, providing information on topography, soil health, and drainage patterns. This data helps farmers plan field layouts, optimize irrigation, and manage water resources more effectively. Precision agriculture. Drones can be integrated with GPS technology and software to enable precision agriculture. This involves applying inputs, e.g., fertilizers, pesticides, precisely where they are needed, optimizing resource usage and reducing environmental impact. Planting and seeding.